Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to get the most out of these beautiful USB models that are included in the package. Sample projects will be provided to make it easier to follow along. The series is structured in the following manner. In part 1 I will walk you through the basics. How to properly insert the USB stick into your project so that it exhibits the best visual appearance using the default theme. Next, I will show you how to change themes and how to add even lower poly versions that ship with the package for more performance to visual ratio. In part 2, I'll discuss how to create your own theme. That's right, whatever fancy look you have in mind. Want to have your own Christmas or Star Wars skin, a photo of a loved one, your pet, your signature, favorite tattoo etched into the stick, you name it. You don't need any modeling skill. With your favorite painting app, Photoshop, GIMP, Krita, or whatever, you can edit the color map to reflect your design. I'll provide basic editing for simple users, in conjunction with user-friendly documentation, which should be enough for most purposes. Part 3 will provide more advanced customization for those interested. With that said, grab your mouse to get started.